Wildfires, intensive logging, and unsustainable land practices leave soils gray, lifeless, and unable to regenerate. In central and southern Chile, where volcanic salts predominate, the damage is even greater. The land is highly porous, erodes rapidly, and loses its ability to retain water. Organic matter is destroyed, essential fungi and bacteria disappears, and the soil is left loose, fragile, and depleted of the minerals required for regeneration. Without vegetation cover, rainfall strikes the ground directly. Water fails to infiltrate, run off the surface, and carries away the soil, accelerating degradation. This reality particularly affects rural communities that depend on healthier soils for their livelihoods. Small-scale farmers lack accessible tools to restore the lands. Existing solutions are costly and often ineffective in these soil conditions. Current restoration methods are not enough. Water drains too quickly, the soil cannot retain moisture, and vegetation struggles. This challenge calls for a local, biodegradable solution capable of restoring stability, nutrients, and microbial life to the soil without the needs for machinery or chemical inputs. Our challenge to develop an accessible, local-sourced, and effective solution capable of bringing life back to soils that have lost everything. This is how MYCORRA was born, a biostabilizer structure that integrates multiple soil restoration strategies into a single system. Inspired by mycorrhizal fungi, its anchor itself to the terrain, reduces erosion, and gradually releases nutrients.